A duplex is considered a multifamily calculation. The building code definition of multifamily includes structures with 3 or more dwelling units. A duplex, which has 2 dwelling units, falls under this definition. When performing a multifamily calculation for property taxes or other purposes, the following should be excluded: firstly, house, and secondly, laundry. The term house refers to the owner's or manager's unit within the multifamily complex. It is not considered a rental unit and is therefore excluded from the calculation. Common laundry facilities shared by the tenants are also excluded from the calculation. This is because they are not considered a separate dwelling unit. The purpose of excluding the house and laundry in a multifamily calculation is to accurately determine the taxable or assessable value of the rental units only. The owner's unit and common facilities are not typically included in the calculation because they are not income-producing portions of the property. Let's delve deeper into understanding these calculations and exclusions, particularly in the context of building codes and property assessments. First, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental distinction between a duplex and a multifamily dwelling. While a duplex comprises 2 dwelling units, a multifamily dwelling, according to many building codes, typically encompasses 3 or more units. This distinction impacts how these properties are classified and assessed for various purposes, including taxation and regulatory compliance. When performing a multifamily calculation, excluding the house and laundry is essential for accurately determining the value of the rental units. The house refers to the owner's or manager's unit within the complex. Since this unit is not rented out and does not generate income, it's excluded from the calculation to avoid skewing the assessment. Similarly, common laundry facilities are excluded because they are not considered separate dwelling units. These facilities serve all tenants and are not individually leased, thus not directly contributing to rental income. The rationale behind these exclusions is to ensure a fair and accurate assessment of the income-producing rental units. Including non-rental portions like the owner's unit or common laundry areas would inflate the property's value, leading to potentially higher taxes or assessments that don't reflect the actual rental income generated. Consider a hypothetical multifamily property with 5 dwelling units, an owner's unit, and a shared laundry room. To calculate the assessable value, you would only consider the 5 rental units. The owner's unit and laundry room would be excluded. This ensures that the assessment accurately reflects the income potential of the rental units. Understanding these nuances is critical for property owners, managers, and assessors involved in multifamily properties. Properly applying the exclusion rules can lead to accurate assessments, fair taxation, and compliance with building codes. Additionally, it helps ensure that property values are based on actual income generating potential rather than extraneous factors. Let's look into specific scenarios. Imagine a duplex where one unit is owner-occupied and the other is rented. In this case, the calculations for property taxes or assessments would focus solely on the rented unit. The owner-occupied unit would be excluded as it does not generate rental income. Now, let's consider a larger multifamily complex with 10 units, including a manager's apartment and a communal laundry area. The calculation would only involve the 10 rental units, excluding both the manager's apartment and the laundry facility. This approach guarantees that the assessment is solely based on the income derived from the rental units. To further illustrate the importance of these exclusions, imagine a scenario where the owner's unit is erroneously included in the assessment. This would inflate the property's value, potentially leading to higher property taxes. The same principle applies to the inclusion of common laundry facilities. These facilities, while valuable to tenants, do not represent individual rental units and should therefore be excluded. By adhering to these guidelines, property owners can ensure that their assessments are accurate and fair. This can prevent overpayment of taxes and ensure compliance with local regulations. Moreover, understanding these calculations is crucial when buying or selling multifamily properties. Accurate assessments can affect the property's market value and its potential return on investment. In summary, when dealing with duplexes and multifamily properties, it's essential to distinguish between rental units and non-rental portions like owners' units and common facilities. Excluding these non-rental areas from the calculations ensures accurate assessment and fair taxation. This approach benefits property owners, assessors, and potential investors by providing a clear picture of the property's income-generating potential. Furthermore, this understanding facilitates compliance with building codes and regulatory requirements. Properly applying these principles promotes transparency and accuracy in property assessments, fostering a more equitable real estate market. In addition to understanding the exclusions of the house and laundry, it's beneficial to know how different localities may interpret and apply these rules. While the general principle remains the same, specific regulations may vary from one jurisdiction to another. Therefore, it's always best to consult local building codes and assessment guidelines to ensure compliance. Some jurisdictions may have specific criteria for determining whether a unit qualifies as an owner's unit or rental unit. For example, a unit may be considered a rental unit even if it's temporarily vacant, as long as it's actively being marketed for rent. Similarly, the definition of common laundry facilities may vary depending on whether the facilities are coin-operated or included in the rent. Staying informed about these local variations is essential for accurate assessments and compliance. Property owners should also maintain detailed records of their rental income and expenses, as well as any documentation related to the owner's unit or common facilities. These records can be invaluable in supporting their assessments and resolving any disputes with local authorities. In conclusion, understanding duplex versus multifamily calculations and the exclusions of house and laundry is essential for anyone involved in property ownership, management, or assessment. By adhering to these guidelines and staying informed about local regulations, property owners can ensure accurate assessments, fair taxation, and compliance with building codes. This, in turn, contributes to a more transparent and equitable real estate market. Remember to always consult local resources and professionals for specific guidance related to your property and jurisdiction. Accurately calculating multifamily properties involves more than just counting the number of units. It necessitates a thorough understanding of what constitutes a dwelling unit, what exclusions apply, and how local regulations influence the assessment process. By mastering these concepts, property owners can confidently navigate the complexities of property assessment and taxation. Let's address some frequently asked questions related to duplex and multifamily calculations. Firstly, what if the owner's unit is sometimes rented out on a short-term basis? In such cases, the unit may be considered a rental unit for the period it's rented and excluded when it's owner-occupied. Accurate record keeping is crucial to determine the proportion of time the unit is rented versus owner-occupied. Secondly, how are common areas like hallways and lobbies treated in multifamily calculations? These areas are typically not included as separate dwelling units but are considered part of the overall property. Their value is indirectly reflected in the assessment of the rental units. Thirdly, what if the laundry facilities are located within each individual rental unit? In this scenario, the laundry facilities are considered part of the rental unit and do not require separate exclusion. Fourthly, how do renovations or improvements to the property affect the assessment? Renovations or improvements that increase the property's value may lead to a reassessment. It's important to notify local authorities of any significant changes to the property. Fifthly, what if there are mixed-use properties with both residential and commercial units? In such cases, the residential and commercial portions are typically assessed separately based on their respective uses and income potential. Understanding these nuances is crucial for accurate assessments and fair taxation. Always consult local guidelines and seek professional advice when dealing with complex property situations. Furthermore, it's important to distinguish between property taxes and other types of assessments, such as special assessments for infrastructure improvements. Property taxes are typically based on the assessed value of the property, while special assessments are levied for specific projects that benefit the property, such as road improvements or sewer upgrades. These special assessments are separate from property taxes and are not directly related to the multifamily calculation. Additionally, property owners should be aware of any tax exemptions or incentives that may be available for multifamily properties. Some jurisdictions offer tax breaks for affordable housing or energy-efficient buildings. Taking advantage of these incentives can significantly reduce property taxes and improve the overall financial performance of the property. In conclusion, mastering duplex and multifamily calculations requires a comprehensive understanding of building codes, assessment guidelines, local regulations, and available tax incentives. By staying informed and seeking professional advice, property owners can ensure accurate assessments, fair taxation, and compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. This, in turn, contributes to the long-term success and profitability of their multifamily investments. Let's further explore the implications of these calculations on property values. Accurate assessments play a crucial role in determining the market value of a duplex or multifamily property. Potential buyers rely on assessed values to gauge the property's worth and its potential return on investment. Overvalued properties may deter buyers, while undervalued properties may result in missed opportunities for sellers. Therefore, it's essential to ensure that assessments accurately reflect the property's true value based on its rental income potential. In addition to influencing market value, accurate assessments also affect financing options. Lenders often use assessed values as a basis for determining loan amounts and interest rates. Overvalued properties may lead to difficulties in securing financing, while undervalued properties may limit the amount of funding available. Therefore, maintaining accurate assessments is crucial for both buyers and sellers seeking to obtain financing. Furthermore, accurate assessments promote transparency and fairness in the real estate market. When assessments are based on consistent and reliable methodologies, it creates a level playing field for all property owners. This fosters trust and confidence in the market, encouraging investment and economic growth. In conclusion, accurate duplex and multifamily calculations have far-reaching implications for property values, financing options, and the overall health of the real estate market. By adhering to established guidelines and seeking professional advice, property owners can contribute to a more transparent, equitable, and prosperous real estate environment. Let's now consider the role of technology in streamlining multifamily calculations. Various software solutions are available to assist property owners and assessors in performing these calculations accurately and efficiently. These tools can automate many of the manual processes involved, such as data entry, unit measurements, and exclusion calculations. By leveraging technology, property owners can save time, reduce errors, and improve the overall accuracy of their assessment. These software solutions often integrate with local property databases, allowing for seamless access to relevant information such as building codes, assessment guidelines, and property records. This integration further enhances efficiency and accuracy, enabling property owners to make informed decisions based on real-time data. In addition to software solutions, online resources and educational materials are readily available to help property owners understand duplex and multifamily calculations. These resources provide valuable insights into building codes, assessment guidelines, and best practices for property management. By utilizing these resources, property owners can empower themselves with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of property assessment and taxation. In conclusion, technology plays a vital role in streamlining multifamily calculations, improving accuracy, and enhancing access to information. By embracing these technological advancements, property owners can simplify their property management processes and ensure compliance with all applicable laws and regulations.